How to make an automatic armor equipper in Minecraft. So first you will need 6 dispensers, any pressure plate, any type of block that you want, 3 redstone repeaters, 12 redstone dust, and 1 absorber. So first just find the place where you want to put it. So let's say I want it right here. Now just simply put the dispenser, the 6 dispenser side to side just like so, and the other one right here. So just like that. Now get your pressure plate, then place it right here at the middle and get the block that you want. Any block could do. So just place it right there. Should be looking like that. Then 3 more right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the 8 blocks that we have. Now once that's done, get your repeater and just place it just like so. It should be facing like that. Just like that. Now get your redstone dust, place it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Connect it just like that. Now dig 3 blocks here at the bottom. Then after that, dig 5 blocks. 3, 4, 5. Now place your redstone dust just like so. After that, place another block. Then place another redstone dust. And get your observer and place it looking downward. So it should be looking like that. You will know that it is facing downward since the red one is right there. After that, get another redstone dust and place it at the top of the observer. Now what you want to do is just go back here at the front and just simply get the armor that you want to equip. So now I have my armor, so I'm just going to open up the dispenser right here. I'm going to place the helmet here at the middle. It doesn't matter what type of formation that you want. I'm just going to do it like this. The other one right here at the bottom. The leggings at the bottom. And the boots right there. So once that's done, you can now test it out. So I have it right here. I'm going to test it out. I'm going to go to the pressure plate. Just go right there. And as you can see, it will automatically equip. And that's how you basically make an automatic armor equipper in Minecraft.